Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to get free gifts on Temu without inviting anyone, that's including friends or family. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so what we need to do is open up the Temu app. So basically Temu offers several opportunities to obtain free gifts without the need to invite friends or family. And here's a few different ways how to do this. All right, the first way is daily gift boxes. So within this app, we need to navigate to the promotions tab, and to get there, click onto you, make sure to sign into your account. And then from here, we need to get into messages. Once we're here, click on the promotions tab. And inside here, you can find a daily gift box promotions. By opening these boxes, you have a chance to win freebies, discounts, or account credits. So just go and have a scroll at all your different promotions and look for any free gifts. Here's one here. There's a couple on here, free 2 item giveaways. So this is a good way how to find free gifts. Also, once we're in our account here, you can see there's a Temu circle. So click on Temu circle and you get free gifts in here by joining the Temu circle. So as you can see, if I click out of here, so we've got benefit 1, we've got unlimited time on any order, or benefit 2, times 6 over 3 months, 2 free items per month on orders, which include 1 plus non-local warehouse item. And there's going to be lots of pop-ups while you're here too, so keep an eye on that. There's going to be some free item giveaways inside Temu. And also what we can do is go to actual Temu.com and look for free items and the giveaway page. So Temu maintains a dedicated page for free items and giveaways on their website. So checking that page can help you discover various free products, though availability may vary and some offers might be limited to new users as well.